ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 178. In the Moolam it was said, after Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta, the Antakarana and Pancha Jnanendriya Srishti from Sattva, Karmendriya and Prana Srishti from Raja. Then Panchikaranam took place. And this Panchikaranam should be respected by all Acharyas. It is not that there is only Trivrit Karanam and Panchikaranam is only somebody's Kalpana. Panchikaranam is Shastriya. And the individual name that is given to Panchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta is based on the maximum portion which is there in each. Like Prithvi has 50% Prithvi and the other 50% the other four elements. So therefore Vaisheshat tu tadvadas tadvadah. This Brahma Sutra we saw, which is given on 177. On 178 in Tika, 5th line from top. श्रुति सूत्रयोर उपलक्षणार्थत्वाद अन्यथा पुराण वाक्यानां निरालंबन आपातात् अपंचीकृतेतर भूत गुणानां इतरस्मिन् पंचीकृते अपि अनुपलब्धेः. Based on Shruti and Sutra. Shruti means you should say Taittiriya, Chandogya and Sutra, this Brahma Sutra. Upalakshanarthatvat अन्यथा पुराण वाक्यानाम निरालंबन आपातात. Otherwise Puran Vakya will not have any support if you don't accept Panchikaranam and if you accept only Trivrit Karanam. Niralambana apatat Apanchikrita Itara Bhuta Gunanam. Other Apanchikrita Bhuta Guna like is present in the Panchikrita Prithvi only. Other Drishtanta you can take Akasha. Akasha is Apanchikrita, Shabda is Apanchikrita Akasha Guna. But it is available in Vayu, in Jala, in Teja, in Prithvi, etc. If you don't accept Panchikaranam, then this would not happen. Apanchikrita itara bhuta gunanam itarasmin panchikrite api anupalabdehe. Otherwise, that upalabdhi would not be there. Tatha cha yatha panchikrita teja ada. One word. That space in between is not needed. अपंचीकृत तेज आदाव पंचीकृत तेज आदाव अपंचीकृत स्वगुणानामेव भानम न तु अपंचीकृत स्व इतर गुणानां यथा तथा आकाश वायोरपि इति. यथा पंचीकृत तेज आदव, पंचीकृत तेज in that apanchikrita swagunanam bhanam. Apanchikrita swaguna rupa, only that bhanam would have taken place. Natu apanchikrita swa itar gunanam. apanchikrita swa itara guna. So this is why what was said on page number 174 in the Moolam, न च शब्दस्य आकाशमात्र गुणत्वम्. Vayu also has shabda. Vayu also has shabda. That line, I think we should use it for Vayu has shabda only when it is panchikrita. Okay, Vayu will have shabda in apanchikrita roop also because Vayu utpatti is from shabda. But that badhaka abhavat, which is given in that next sentence, nacha asau brahma, badhaka abhavat. Badhaka pariksha you cannot do for apanchikrita. Badhaka pariksha one can do only when there is panchikritam. Because we cannot test apanchikrita panchamahabhuta. What we are going to experience, what we are going to test is only panchikrita panchamahabhuta. So in panchikrita panchamahabhuta, we see that Vayu has Shabda Sparsha or Prithvi has Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha. But that test is in Panchikrita only. So even if they are there in Apanchikrita, Pada Abhava can be seen only after Panchikaranam has happened. Okay, so Yatha Panchikrita, come back to 78. Yatha Panchikrita Teja Adav Apanchikrita Swagunanam Eva Bhanam. Panchikrita Teja would have only Apanchikrita Swagunanam Bhanam, natu Apanchikrita Swa Itar Gunanam Bhanam. Swa Itar means Akasha Vayu. Because in Teja, if there is any Gandha, we say that Gandha comes from Prithvi. In Jala, if there is Gandha, we say that Gandha comes from Prithvi. It doesn't belong to Jala. So apanchikrita swa itar gunanam bhanam na syat, but it is happening. Tatha akasha vayu api, and the same is true for akasha vayu. Like vayu can also have smell, and we understand, oh, this is coming from Prithvi. Iti sarvatha sampradaya siddham panchikaranam adarniyam iti bhava. Therefore, panchikaranam should be honored, respected, which is sampradaya siddham. तेषामेव गुणत्रयोपेतानां मन आदि समुदायात्मकं लिंग शरीरम कार्यम इत्याह. So now this gunatraya upetanam, gunatraya means sattva rajas tama guna. Mana adi samudayatmakam linga shariram. Sukshma sharira is a samudaya, is an assembly of different parts that is given in the Moolam on 178. Purvoktaihi apanchikritayir linga shariram परलोक यात्रा निर्वाहकम मोक्ष पर्यंतम स्थायी मनोबुद्ध्या बुद्धिभ्याम उपेत ज्ञानेन्द्रिय उपेतम, you should say, put anuswara there, मनोबुद्धिभ्याम उपेतम ज्ञानेन्द्रिय पंचक, one ka is missing, पंचक कर्मेंद्रिय पंचक, का is there, प्राणादि पंचक संयुक्तम ध्यायते. Purvoktaihi apanchikritaihi. The apanchikrita panchamahabhuta that was said earlier. Purvoktaihi apanchikritaihi panchamahabhutaihi linga shariram jayate. Linga shariram is utpannam. Jayate utpannam. What are the visheshanas for this linga sharira? They are given. Paraloka yatra nirvahakam. It is the carrier for paraloka yatra. From one loka to another loka, linga sharira will go. Sthula sharira won't go. Moksha paryantam sthai. Even in pralaya, sukshma sharira will not be dissolved. Until I get moksha, same sukshma sharira. So sometimes they say at the time of pralaya, what happens? So these panchamahabhutas are gone. Panchamahabhutas, apanchikrita panchamahabhutas themselves are not there. Then how sukshma sharira will remain? Somebody may question. So that sukshma sharira is in karana avastha. It remains as karana in samashti karana sharira. Vyashti karana sharira, vyashti sukshma sharira goes to vyashti karana sharira. Vyashti karana sharira remains in samashti karana sharira during pralaya. Then from samashti karana sharira, it will come out as vyashti karana sharira and then vyashti sukshma sharira. So everything, in other words, our karma phala, vasana, etc., even at the time of pralaya, they will not go. Until I get moksha, everything is there. So if I work for moksha, chitta shuddhi, etc., I will benefit, even if after a few years there is pralaya. So don't worry, you will get benefit of everything. Moksha paryantam sthai. Mano buddhi bhyam upetam, associated or endowed with mana, buddhi, etc. It has 5 jnanendriyas, 5 karmendriyas, 5 pranas, and mana buddhi. So 17 components are there. See in Tika. Nanu. उपलभ्यमान स्थूल शरीरेण एव समस्त कार्य निर्वाहात किमर्थकम एतद इत्याह. Somebody says, with the help of sthula sharira, I can manage all my activities, etc. Samasta karya nirvahat. Why do I need a separate sukshma sharira? Like in other darshana, nyaya, etc., they don't have separate sukshma sharira. Those who have studied Tarka Sangraha, they know there is no sukshma sharira. Sthula sharira and manaha, that one manaha they accept. So here we separate it. And it is paraloka yatra nirvahakam. Paraloka yatra will have not. It is not only for paraloka yatra. In this jivan also, whatever jnanam, etc. takes place, it is in sukshma sharira only. Tasya mokshe api abhava mokshe api abhava abhavam ashankya. Aha. Abhava bhavam. You have to add the between bhava bhava, add the. So what will be the reading? तस्य मोक्षे अपि अभावात् अभावमाशंक्य आह that it doesn't have abhava in moksha. Until moksha it is there. Moksha paryantam. In moksha it is not there. Moksha api abhavat. So somebody may think there will be abhavas at pralaya time also. So it is said no. Up to moksha it is there. See in tika. Atyantika pralaya paryantam sthayi ityartha. Prakritika pralaya at that time Sukshma Sharira doesn't go. Atyantika Pralaya time, Sukshma Sharira will go. How it will remain during Prakritika Pralaya, as I explained. That it will go, the Vyashti Sukshma Sharira in Vyashti Karana Sharira, Vyashti Karana Sharira in Samashti Karana Sharira, then it will stay there in Prakritika Pralaya. Then when next Srishti comes from Samashti Karana Sharira to Vyashti Karana Sharira, Vyashti Karana Sharira to Vyashti Sukshma Sharira. But it is the same one. Atyantika Pralaya means moksha. The sequence that I explained is for Prakritika Pralaya. Atyantika Pralaya means moksha. Moksha time, Sukshma Sharira will not remain. Tesham Samudaya Shariram Ityadi Maitreya Shruti Mulakam Abhiyukta Vakyam Atra Pramanam Ityaha. Tesham Samudaya. Tesham मन बुद्धि इत्यादि नाम समुदाय and ज्ञानेन्द्रिय पंचकम, कर्मेंद्रिय पंचकम, प्राणादि पंचकम, that sharira samudaya is called Sukshma Sharira. This is given in Maitreya Shruti. Maitreya Shruti Mulakam Abhiyukta Vakyam, that is Atra Pramanam. Taduktam. So this shloka actually is there in Panchadashi. Pancha prana mano buddhi dashendriya samanvitam. Or it is there in Atma Bodha. Apanchikrita bhutotham sukshmangam bhoga sadhanam. This is Atma Bodha, I think. But here it is given, this is Maitreya Upanishad shloka. So it is having Pancha Prana, Mano Buddhi, Dasha Indriya, arising from the Apanchikrita Pancha Mahabhuta. It is called Sukshma Sharira, Sukshmangam. And it is Bhoga Sadhanam. It is a means for all Bhoga. Sitika. Sukshmannam. Actually, it is Sukshmangam, not Annam. Sukshma Angam. To make that correction. Sukshmangam Bhoga Sadhanam. Sukshma Shariram. Tatra Brahmand Vyapitvat. Adyam Param Dehamatra Vyapitvat Dvitiyam Aparam. Iti Ashayana Aha. Now there are two divisions in there. Sukshma Sharira are two. Means mainly divided into two. One is Param Sukshma Shariram, another is Aparam Sukshma Shariram. What is Param? That which pervades Brahmanda. Brahmanda Vyapitvat Adyam Param. And Dvitiyam is only Dehamatra Vyapi. See in Moolam on next page. Tacha Dvividham. Param Aparam Cha. It is twofold. Param and Aparam. Tatra Param Hiranyagarbha Linga Shariram. Hiranyagarbha Sukshma Sharira is called Param. Aparam Asmadadi Linga Shariram. The Aparam Sukshma Shariram is our Sukshma Shariram. Tatra Hiranyagarbha Linga Shariram Mahat Tattvam. Hiranyagarbha Sukshma Sharira is called Mahat Tattvam. So in the morning in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta class, it came that from Mahat, everything gets dissolved all the way up to all Visheshas. This is Prakritika Pralaya. So Mahat means Hiranyagarbha Sukshma Sharira. That also gets dissolved in Prakrita Pralaya. Asmadadi Linga Shariram is called Ahankara iti Akhyayate. Our Linga Sharira is called Ahankara. In different ways, Ahankara is referred. Ahankriti Granthi Vibandha Sukshma Sharira Cheto Bhavajiva Nama. Ramana Maharshi ji says in this way, Deho na janati sato na janma, Deha pramaноnya udeti madhye, Ahankriti Granthi Vibandha. Deha does not know, it is Jada. Sadvastu has no janma, it is avikari. Deha is vikari but Jada. When they come together, then a third entity in between arises, which is called Ahankara, Granthi, Bandha, Sukshma Sharira, Cheto. Cheto means Chitta, Bhava, Jiva. Different names are used. Tika. Subala Shrutau Sannyasa Vidhi. What is the question?
Pardon, Swamiji. Here, Hiranyagarbha Sukshma Sharira is Mahat Tattvam and Vyasti Sharira, Sukshma Sharira is Ahankara. Is this same as the Sankhya 24 Tattvam?
Mahat.
The Ahankara, I don't understand in that 24 Tattvam is Samashti or Vashti?
The Mahat Shabda, that Ahankara, according to Sankhya, they see, the names can be similar. Sankhya can use the same name, Vedanta can use the same name. But what they are referring to is different. What we are referring to is different. Like, Charvak also uses the term Atma. Sankhya also uses the term Atma. Nyaya also uses the term Atma, Mimamsaka, Advaitin. Everybody has a term called Atma. But everybody's understanding of that word is different. So, Ahankara Shabda also, when Vedanta uses, it is different. Ahankara Shabda, when Sankhya has used, it can have different meaning. Bhagwan also. Nyaya will say Ishvara means only Nimitta Karana. He is a Tatastha Ishvara. If they use the word Ishvara, they have bhakti, they have one understanding. When we say Ishvara, we have different understanding. When Vishishta Dvaita or Dvaitin will use the word Ishvara, they have different understanding. Shaivas, when they use the word Ishvara, they have Shiva in mind. And Vaishnavas, when they use the word Ishvara, they have only Vishnu in mind. Ishvara word is used by everybody. And some people, they think Ishvara means Krishna only. So, terms can be used by anyone, but what it means is different. So, we use only what is given in our texts. Clear?
So, Swamiji, in Sankhya 24 Tattvam, the Ahankara is Samashti or Vyashti?
in Sankhya, so how their division is, it is samashti only. There the ahankara is samashti. This ahankara which is used is vyashti. So that ahankara that Sankhya uses, that is used in 7th chapter of Gita. What is apara prakriti? Bhumirapo nalo vayu.
खम मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार
That ahankara shabda there is referring to samashti. इति में भिन्ना प्रकृति रष्टदा. So bhumi, rapo, nalo, vayu, kham. These are the 5 apanchikrita panchamahabhuta there. This is 7th chapter, 4th or 5th shloka of Gita. Bhumi, rapo, nalo, vayu, kham. Then manaha, Bhashyakar says manaha means you have to take samashti mana karana. Buddhi means you have to take samashti buddhi karana. Ahankar means you have to take samashti ahankar karanam, which is avyakta. But ahankar word there, what is referred is for samashti. Because when Bhagwan talks about prakriti, apara prakriti, it is at samashti level. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. अस्मदादिलिंग शरीरम अहंकार इति आख्यायते. हाँ, टीका we were seeing. सुबाल श्रुतौ संन्यास विधावपि आरण्यक श्रुतौ च चतुर्दश भुवनात्मक ब्रह्मांडोत्पत्ति ही अभिहिता तद अनुसृत्य आह. Subala Shruti, some Subala Upanishad could be there, like how Jabala Upanishad is there. Like that, there is some Subala Upanishad in which Sannyasa Vidhi is given. Sannyasa Vidhau api Aranyaka Shrutau cha. Aranyaka Shruti in Taittiriya, Aranyaka, etc. The 14 worlds, Chaturdasha Bhuvanatmaka Brahmanda Utpatti is mentioned. It could be in Taittiriya Aranyaka or it could be in Subala Aranyaka. The Tikakara has quoted some such text. Tad Anusritya Aha. According to them, the 14 worlds are given now. In Moolam. Evam Tamo Guna Yuktebhyaha Panchikrita Bhutebhyo Bhumi Antariksha Swar Mahar Janas Tapaha Satyatmakasya Urdhvaloka Saptakasya Atala Vitala Sutala Talatala Rasatala Mahatala Patalakya Adholoka Saptakasya Brahmandasya Jarayujanda Ja Swedaja Udvijakya Chaturvida Sthula Shariranam Utpattihi. Evam Tamo Guna Yuktebhyaha Panchikrita Bhutebhya. Panchikrita Panch Mahabhuta, which are Karya of Tamo Guna. From the Tamo Guna, the Panchikrita Panch Mahabhutas have come. From them, the 14 worlds, 7 of which are above, 7 of which are below. Bhumi, Antariksha. Bhumi means Bhuhurloka. Antariksha means Pitruloka, in between. Bhuhu, Bhuaha, what we call. Then Swar means Swargaloka. Bhur, Bhuva, Swaha. Then Mahajana, Tapaha, Satyam. So 7 worlds are above. Satyatmakasya Urdhvaloka Saptaka. The above 7 worlds are there. Saptaka above. And then 7 are below. Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala, Mahatala, Patala. Akhya Adholoka Saptakasya. When they say above and below, it need not be like all 14. There is a lift to go up and down or something. 14 worlds you should understand as in gradation of Sukham. The amount of Sukham that is there in Bhuloka, Pitraloka will have higher Sukham, etc. Sukham will be greater and Sattva also will be greater. Patala Loka may have some Sukham, but may not have Sattva. Brahma Loka will have highest Sukham, highest Sattva. And Sattva is Karyam of Sattvam will produce Jnanam. Sattva is Karanam for Jnanam. In other words, from Sattva Sukham will also come, from Sattva Jnanam also will come. And therefore, generally, when people around you are all Jnani, Jnani means not necessarily Brahma Jnani, but they are all disciplined, they are all following the rules. It is easy to live with them. If they think in systematic way, it is easy to discuss anything with them. Those people who are not like this, they think randomly, they are not disciplined. It is difficult to live with them. So Kalpana of the Janaha, Tapaha, Satyaloka is like where people are all disciplined. People have Sattva, they give importance to Jnanam. No matter how many people are there, it is easy to live with them. And where fewer people are there, but all are disturbing elements or are indisciplined, it is difficult to live there. So the hierarchy, and in this hierarchy, we have taken so many janmas. Sometimes we have been in Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Maha, Janaha, sometimes Atala, Vitala, Sutala, in any of these lokas, in different shariras. We should, just as we see variety here in Prithvi Loka, and we wonder how so much variety is there, how some person can be so disciplined, organized, thinking clearly, and functional, productive, and some other person can be so disorganized, indisciplined, nothing gets accomplished. Everything is, just as there is variety here, there is variety everywhere. This is to produce Vairagya. I should have Vairagya, otherwise again I will just continue in these 14 worlds. Brahmandasya, Jarayuja, and 4 types of beings are there. Chaturvida Sthula Sharira, Jarayuja, Andaja, Sveja, Svedaja, Udvijja. What are they? So it is given in Moolam further. Tatra Jarayujani, Jarayubhyo Jatani. From Jarayu, the Jarayu means mother has a covering which breaks open and the child comes out. That is called Jarayu. I don't know what is the English word for that. There is some medical term for that. I don't know. But whatever it is, that is called Jarayu. So Jarayu Bhyaha Jatani Jarayu Jani. How Manushya Pashwadi Sharit, like human body, cows, elephants. Huh? I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, yeah, if it's like a covering, it's a bag, a cloth in which the child is or the garbha is. So Manushya Pashwadi Sharirani. Andajani Andebhyo Jatani. Those which are born from the eggs. Pakshi Pannaga Adi Sharirani. The birds, reptiles, etc. Svedajani Sweda Jatani. From the sweat or the moisture, like Yuka Mashakadini. The lice in the hair or mosquitoes, they come from the moisture. Sometimes they say they come from egg, but moisture is also nimit. Like sometimes you have some nuts or some grains, and then suddenly you see worms in there. How did they come? From moisture. Udvijani. Bhumim udvidya jatani vrikshadini, like trees, etc., which break the earth and come up. Vrikshadinam api papa phala bhogayatanatvam, bhogayatanattvena shariratvam. Trees, etc., they are papa phala bhogayatana. That body is because of the sins committed. It is papa phala bhogayatanam. See in Tika, only one line is there for all this. शरीर जय ही कर्म दोषैर याति स्थावरताम नरः इत्यादि वचनम अनुसृत्य आह वृक्षादीनाम. So if sharir krita karma dosha, papa is there, I will get the body of a tree. If tongue oriented papa I commit, then I will, means I speak all unnecessary, useless statements, criticize, then I will become bird. So I will not be able to talk then. And manasa papa, if somebody does, then they will have preta, etc. Sharira. These are all lower yonis. Nanu asharirasya paramatmanah sharira sadhya brahmanadi karyam prati katham hetutvam iti ashankya tatra paramparaya iti darshayati. Paramatma is asharira. And sharira sadhya brahmanadi karyam. Brahmana, etc., they have to do sharira karyam with the help of sharira. Karyam prati katham hetutvam. How it become hetu. So, parampara is shown. See in the moolam. Tatra parameshwarasya panchatanmatradi utpattau. Saptadasha avayava upeta linga sharira utpattau cha. हिरण्यगर्भ स्थूल शरीर उत्पत्तौ च साक्षात्कर्तृत्व. Paramatma will create these things. Pancha Tanmatra, Saptadasha Avayava Upeta Linga Sharira, and Hiranyagarbha Sthula Sharira. This much Paramatma will create directly. Everything else, Itara Nikhila Prapancha Utpattau Hiranyagarbhadi Dwara. Everything else he will create through Hiranyagarbha. How? Hantaham imas tisro devataha anena jivena atmana anupravishya nama rupe vyakarvani iti shrutehe. Chandogya Shruti is given. How Paramatma will use Hiranyagarbha to create further. So Paramatma will create these three. Teja, Ab, Anna means 5. Prithvi, Jal, Teja, Vayu, Akash. Apanchikrita. Then this Hiranyagarbha will create further Srishti. Who is Hiranyagarbha? Hiranyagarbho Nama, we will see, first see Tika on the previous page. Karya Kadambe. Karya Kadambe means Karya Ekadesha Linga Sharira. Iti Patha. Tatra means Karya Kadambe. In the assembly of the Karyas, everything is Karya. Panchatanmatra is Karya, Saptadasha Avayava is Karya, Hiranyagarbha Sharira is Karya, Manushya Shariras are Karya, everything is Karya. Among all those Karyas, some Karya Paramatma will do. Rest, he will appoint Hiranyagarbha to continue. Linga Sharirasya Dvividhasya. This we will see later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.